one.
An unexpected tornado tore through parts of Pinellas County on Wednesday, damaging dozens of homes and leaving a trail of destruction in neighborhoods west of Tampa. The severe thunderstorm moved through the area during the early evening, spawning the twister that heavily impacted mobile home communities in the Pinellas Park area. After the severe weather, emergency crews were seen going door to door to check for potential storm victims.
Fuck. They tore the shit out of yours too, Johnny. Up there, right there.
As of Wednesday evening, authorities did not report any significant injuries associated with the unwarned cell. At this time, no injuries have been reported. However, multiple homes have sustained damage. We ask the public to avoid the affected areas to allow emergency crews to safely and effectively continue their work, the Largo Police Department stated. Video taken by nearby residents showed debris swirling through the air as the tornado ripped siding and pieces of roofs from structures. By nightfall, emergency crews were already working to clear debris from streets, as first responders encouraged the public not to go out sightseeing and to stay away from the damage zone.
I've never seen hail here like that.
Look at it, too.
The National Weather Service office in Ruskin, which serves the Tampa Bay region, reported that storms in the same area also produced hail, ranging in size from peas to quarters. Forecasters said the state's typical storm pattern is being enhanced by an upper-level low moving across the Florida peninsula. Early summer storms tend to be more severe as there is more instability when the state's sea breezes collide, leading to strong wind gusts, hail, and the potential for brief tornadoes. Local emergency management officials and NWS meteorologists are expected to survey the damage on Thursday to determine the strength and path of the tornado. Power outages were also reported across parts of Pinellas County, with utility crews working into the night to restore service to customers. Residents are always encouraged to pay close attention to the weather during the summer months, as June, July, August, and September typically produce the majority of rainfall across the peninsula. Hail the size of walnuts and some bigger pelted much of Tallahassee as thunder shook buildings and sheets of rain and wind gusts pounded the city's downtown. Ice balls accumulated on the ground as photos and video of the sudden storm ricocheted around social media. Got pegged right in the face, one person wrote on social media. You haven't lived until you've heard hail hitting a metal roof, another wrote. It started with a severe thunderstorm warning from the National Weather Service in Tallahassee at 3:36 p.m. on Wednesday, June 25th.
Serious storms.
I've never seen
I've never seen hail in Florida before. Wow.
This warning also applied to Gadsden, Leon, and Liberty counties. Meteorologists warned of winds as strong as 60 miles per hour.
Oh my goodness.
And it's hailing in Florida.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee issued a flash flood warning for eastern Gadsden County and Leon County, according to a weather alert. It lasts to 8:15 p.m.
Look at this. This is crazy. Look at the hail just coming down.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, it said. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Locations mentioned include Woodville, Tallahassee State College, Florida State University, Florida A&M, Midway, Havana, Quincy, Doak Campbell Stadium, Fred George Park, Lake Jackson, Mission San Luis, Griffin Heights, Messer Park, Levy Park, Macon Community Park, Frenchtown, Innovation Park, Forest Meadows Park, and Lake Ella.
Raining ice in Florida. Ice in Florida is crazy. First time I see